Morning team, it's Monday, September 18. It's a new week. I say that I will be away these days. Instead, my event got cancelled, so I'm back here home, and I mean it's postponed. So at some point in the next month, I think I'm gonna miss a few days of trading, but not this week. Anyway, it's an interesting week. Finally, we got back the FOMC, the real ones, on Wednesday, but today it's pretty quiet day. What is this? Anyway, today it's pretty quiet. I don't see any news significant, not on any calendar. So it's gonna be, I don't know, maybe clean price action. Anyway, so last week closed as a big red candle again. We kind of take some liquidity of the weekly from May, but it's not like the most clean raid. But anyway, liquidity is being taken, okay? Yesterday I was checking the chart and I counted 9 consecutive red candles on a weekly, which to be honest is not like that I usually count candles because I don't care, but it's kind of a stretch. It's not common. Actually, last time it was more than 20 years ago. I think it was 1994 or 97 that it was so many red candles. So I'm not saying that the next candle is going to be green. I don't care, you know, I don't care. But I like to keep these things in mind. Anyway, all these supports are gone. This is my next big resistance on a weekly chart, because this huge wick has not been fully mitigated and it's like a big rejection block. So I just marking out for now. If we ever go back up there, because we don't know. Anyway, as I said, liquidity has been taken. I can expect a pullback. I don't know how higher, but I can see that. Not that I'm bullish, but let's check daily. So fair value gap really worked out magically. You see chart always close below the equilibrium. Yeah, right now let's clean a little bit. We are approaching this daily fair value gap, which would be an awesome area to consider shorts in my opinion. Also, can you see that is confluent with this volume imbalance? That, yeah, it's been balanced, but it's still like gonna work somehow. I bet my balls. Let's go to hourly charts. Yeah, H12 say the same thing. It's not like they're gonna say much. Wow, this H4 really worked out magically, huh? And they didn't trust it. This was a mistake from me. I mean, mistake. I don't know. I didn't like the fact that it was made in Asia, but really worked out magically. Yeah. So yeah, right now H4 doesn't tell me anything. It looks to me that we're gonna pull back higher. Okay, just this move up looks like just a pullback to me. I mean, where are we gonna be wrong? Easy. Oops. What is this? How can I exit this shit? Okay, sorry. It's easy. If we start to break above this origin, then price is gonna be bullish. But I really doubt. At least that when we get here, we get a bearish rejection, you know. I don't think we're gonna go higher straight. If we get here, I will be super happy to look for shorts. I don't think we're gonna go that up, in my opinion. Oh, again. What's happening? Why am I doing this? Sorry guys. Anyway. So yeah. If you ask me, once we get into this volume imbalance, we should see some reaction. Bearish reaction. This is now a beautiful breaker. Support, gone, and now should be resistance. 170, 50, something like that. If we manage to get here. I wanted to show you, I also saw a little volume imbalance on M15. This one. I know it's really little and it's on Saxo, but I really trust Saxo, and whenever I see this type of formation, they kind of tend to work out. Also, this is the move down. Anything above the 50% is going to be a valid short for me. Ideally, I want to see this. I want to see something like that. We're going higher, we start to distribute some sideways, and then we keep going lower. Something like this would be my dream play, but yeah, it's a little bit too early to say. Also, as I said, there is no news today like at all, so who knows if the market is gonna move enough for us to get some play. Right now, what we're doing, yeah, I don't know, we're kind of printing higher high and higher lows. Yeah, we are, so I wouldn't be too bearish, but also I don't know, I don't feel like longing. I know that this is a pullback and I know that should work out. Actually, I think the most of liquidity is above this one, it's above Friday high. There is a lot of liquidity here because I think that many people wanted to short anyway, and they tried to short too early because everybody got super bearish, of course. Yeah, I don't feel like shorting. Not above, not below the 50% level. So let's see. This rate is too early. Yeah, 755. I cannot take a trade based on this M5 because it's too early. What's they look like? Kind of equal low. So let's see. Maybe they offer some nice longs. Right now it's bullish anyway. I think we should go higher. That's enough for me for today, guys. I will post some charts later in the Telegram group, and a new video coming tomorrow. Let's be patient, everybody, and start the week with a nice banger. Let's not start the week with a loss and get frustrated and start to take poor trades. Okay, we do this together. Bye, guys.